Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You've clicked on the right video because today, we're talking about something super exciting. Have you ever wondered what it feels like to drive the fastest car in the world? Imagine zooming around a track so fast you could almost fly. Sounds awesome, right? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore today. In this video, we're diving into the world of F1 racing cars, the fastest machines on four wheels. We'll find out what makes them so special, how they go so fast, and why F1 racing is one of the most thrilling sports on the planet. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you love speed, cars, and awesome facts like this. Alright, let's rev up those engines and get going. First, let's answer the most important question. What is an F1 racing car? An F1 car, short for Formula One car, is a super fast race car built for one thing and one thing only: speed. These cars are designed to zoom around special tracks called circuits at crazy speeds, sometimes faster than 230 miles per hour. That's over 370 kilometers an hour. That's faster than most airplanes take off. The body of an F1 car is very low to the ground and super light, which helps it move quickly. It's like a car that's built for a superhero. And the job of the superhero is to be the fastest thing on the track. But what really makes F1 cars special isn't just their shape, it's the engine. Now let's break down how these incredible machines are built. Making an F1 car isn't as simple as putting together a regular car. It's a huge process that takes a lot of planning, technology, and a super talented team. Here's the step-by-step breakdown. 1. Designing the car. It all starts with the design. F1. Engineers and designers use advanced computer software to create a digital blueprint of the car. This includes the body, wings, tires, engine placement, and more. They aim to make the car as aerodynamic as possible so it can cut through the air with minimal drag. It's like designing the perfect racing machine, but with the future in mind. Once the design is ready, it gets tested in virtual simulations and wind tunnels to make sure it performs at its best. 2. Building the chassis. The chassis is the skeleton of the car, the frame that holds everything together. It's made from super strong, lightweight materials like carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is used because it's lighter than steel but stronger, and it can withstand huge forces. The chassis is carefully crafted to provide maximum protection for the driver, while keeping the car as light as possible. 3. Engine creation. The heart of the car is its engine. F1 engines are incredibly powerful. They use hybrid technology, which combines a turbocharged V6 engine with an electric motor. These engines are designed to be lightweight, efficient, and super fast. They can produce over 1,000 horsepower, which is a lot of power packed into a small space. Each engine is carefully tuned for performance and durability because these machines need to survive the intense conditions of a race. 4. Aerodynamics and bodywork. The aerodynamics of the car are key to its speed. F1 cars have specially designed wings, side pods, and body shapes to make them as fast as possible. Engineers design the body to create downforce, which presses the car down onto the track and helps it stay stable at high speeds. The car's bodywork is also made with lightweight composite materials to keep weight low while maintaining strength. 5. Suspension system. The suspension is what connects the car's wheels to the body. It's designed to make sure the car handles well on the track. F1 suspension systems are complex and fine-tuned to handle every bump and corner. They allow the car to stay stable during high-speed turns and rough sections of the track. 6. Tires. Tires in F1 racing are incredibly important. The tires are made with a special rubber compound that gives the car the best grip on the road. There are different types of tires for different weather conditions: slick tires for dry conditions and wet tires for rain. F1 teams have to pick the right tire strategy for each race, which can be the difference between winning and losing. 7. Testing and fine-tuning. After the car is built, it's time for testing. F1 teams spend hours on the track, testing the car's speed, handling, and overall performance. This helps engineers make adjustments and fine-tune every detail of the car. They use data from sensors to understand how the car is performing, and if something isn't quite right, they go back to the garage and adjust it. 8. Race setup. Finally, the car is ready for the race. Before each Grand Prix, teams make final adjustments to the car based on the specific track and weather conditions. This includes adjusting tire pressures, changing the car's setup, and making sure everything is in top condition for the race. Now, let's take a moment to compare F1 cars with other types of race cars and see just how fast F1 cars are in comparison. When you think about racing, there are lots of different types of race cars, so let's break it down. 1. IndyCar. Indy cars are also open-wheel cars, similar to F1, but they are generally a bit slower. While F1 cars can hit speeds over 230 miles per hour, 370 kilometers per hour, an Indy car's top speed is around 225 miles per hour, 362 kilometers per hour. That's still really fast, but F1 cars usually have the edge when it comes to cornering speed and overall aerodynamics. 2. NASCAR. NASCAR cars are built for oval tracks and are much bulkier compared to the sleek, lightweight F1 machines. These cars typically reach top speeds around 200 miles per hour, 320 kilometers per hour, which is a bit slower than F1 cars. The difference in speed is partly because NASCAR cars are heavier and designed for long, straight runs rather than tight, twisty corners. 3. Le Mans Prototype, LMP1. Le Mans cars are built for endurance races, so they aren't built to be as fast as F1 cars in terms of pure speed. LMP1 cars can reach top speeds of about 210 miles per hour, 338 kilometers per hour, but F1 cars still have the advantage when it comes to speed in a single lap, especially on twisty tracks. LMP1 cars are more about reliability and endurance over long distances. In summary, while Indy cars, NASCARs, and Le Mans cars are incredibly fast, F1 cars take the crown when it comes to sheer speed, agility, and performance over a single lap. Their combination of lightweight materials, hybrid engines, and precise aerodynamics make them the fastest race cars in the world. Let's talk about some famous F1 drivers who have taken the wheel of these amazing machines. These drivers are like the superheroes of the racing world. 1. Michael Schumacher. One of the most famous F1 drivers in history, Michael Schumacher has won 7 world championships. He's known for his incredible consistency and his ability to push his car to the absolute limit. 2. Lewis Hamilton. The British racing legend, Lewis Hamilton, is a modern icon in the sport. With 7 world championships just like Schumacher, Hamilton has broken numerous records and continues to race at the highest level with Mercedes. 3. Sebastian Vettel. Another German driver, Vettel won 4 world championships with Red Bull Racing. His precision and speed made him one of the greatest drivers of his era. 4. Ayrton Senna. A true F1 legend, Senna is remembered for his raw talent and determination. He won 3 world championships before his tragic passing in 1994, and his legacy still inspires racers today. 5. Max Verstappen. The current star of F1, Verstappen is known for his aggressive driving style and has already claimed multiple world championships. He's quickly becoming one of the most dominant figures in modern F1 racing. 6. Charles Leclerc. The young Ferrari driver, Leclerc, has quickly made a name for himself, showing incredible potential and fighting for victories with his smooth driving style and quick thinking. Let's jump to something exciting. This year's 2025 Chinese Grand Prix. In the 2025 race, F1 cars showed their speed and performance in the incredible Shanghai International Circuit, and it was a race to remember. One of the key moments of the 2025 Chinese Grand Prix was the strategic battle between Max Verstappen and Charles Leclerc. Verstappen, the Red Bull Racing driver, faced off against Leclerc of Ferrari in a thrilling contest. Max Verstappen emerged as the winner, claiming his victory in an exciting final lap. Verstappen showed his tactical brilliance throughout the race, making a well-timed move in the closing laps, which saw him overtake Leclerc just before the finish line. Lewis Hamilton, who has been dominating F1 for years, also put up a great fight, pushing his Mercedes car to the limit. However, despite his incredible pace, Hamilton couldn't quite catch up to Verstappen and Leclerc. He ended up finishing in third place, continuing his podium streak. But the race wasn't just about the top 3 drivers. There were multiple standout performances throughout the field. Sergio Perez, Verstappen's teammate at Red Bull, had a remarkable comeback after starting further back on the grid, fighting his way through the pack to finish in 4th. Meanwhile, Lando Norris from McLaren and Fernando Alonso from Aston Martin also showed their speed, with Norris securing a solid 5th-place finish. This race was full of action, especially with the tire strategies. As the weather shifted during the race, teams had to make quick decisions on tire choices. The changing conditions added even more excitement, making it a real test for the drivers and their teams. Max Verstappen's victory at the 2025 Chinese Grand Prix was a spectacular achievement, further solidifying his position as one of the top drivers in the world. The battle between Verstappen and Leclerc, along with the tire strategy and pit stops, made this race one of the most thrilling of the season. So there you have it. F1 racing cars are some of the fastest, coolest machines on the planet. With incredible technology, super fast engines, and amazing teamwork, these cars can go faster than you can imagine. Whether it's the thrill of the race or the amazing engineering, F1 racing has something for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you loved learning about F1 racing, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. What was your favorite part of the video? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep your engines running and stay fast.